Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you what all the colors of the lights mean on the robot on your DREAME X50 Ultra. Okay, so let's begin with the circular status indicator, which is this circle around the buttons. This circular light can take three different colors. It can be blue, solid blue, which means cleaning or cleanup completed, then solid green, which is charging, and blinking orange, which indicates an error. Then there are the button lights and the button status indicator may be either solid white, which means cleaning or cleanup completed. It can be breathing white, which is charging when the battery is not low. It can be solid orange when your robot is on standby at low battery or paused at low battery. When it's breathing orange, it's charging at low battery. When it's blinking orange, it is an error, and blinking pink means camera was activated. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.